you all for coming. We really appreciate all of your support. Thank you, Princess and Zoe, for everything that you do for us. This place would not function without y'all. Thank you to our case doctors, DeVald and Dr. Hudson. We wouldn't have made it without you guys. You really stuck by us, and thanks for all the laughs and the jokes during visits. It made it a lot better. This has been a pretty crazy journey, so yeah, I wouldn't have made it without these girls and all my other pals, so thanks.
These past few months I've made probably some of the strongest connections that I've ever made in my life. And I do attribute that to being like the strongest and happiest that I've ever been in my 25 years of life. I have so many people here to be grateful for. I could not have done this entire journey without you guys. It's been amazing. I just want to say, like, let's pursue that passion that we have that sets our soul on fire.
So I want to thank Dr. DeVald and Dr. Hudson, my case doctors, for your wisdom and patience as I navigated through clinic. I want to thank Zoe and Princess for always hyping us up and having a smile on your face while also keeping us very organized. I want to thank Dr. Mara Sussman for being a powerful female chiropractor that I can look up to. And then lastly, to the women standing beside me, thank you for being my friend these past 3 years, for your love, and thank you for helping me step into the first thing today.
Thank you to all of the people in the clinic who provided the mentorship for us to step into our infinite potential. And thank you to my mom, my best and my favorite role model, for giving me a lifetime of support and investment in my education and becoming the best human that I can be. Now is our time to slow down and celebrate just long enough to celebrate all of our accomplishments, to create and appreciate the magic that we made here, and then step into our lives so we can serve the nervous systems of the world.
There's so many people who have played a role in my chiropractic journey that I have to thank. So to start, I want to thank all of the amazing professors and case doctors, especially Dr. DeVald and Dr. Hudson. Thank you guys for pouring all of your knowledge into us and helping us grow as people and chiropractors, and for always being patient with us. I also want to thank Princess and Zoe for keeping this clinic running and for giving us a lot of grace when we're scheduling and make mistakes. I appreciate that a lot. Thanks to Caroline. I want to thank you for all of the behind the scenes work that you do that oftentimes goes unnoticed, but also for being the best boss that I could have asked for. To these girls and all of my classmates and friends, I just want to say all of you are so unique and so cool and have a special place in my heart for many different reasons.